Hi, my name is Chris. I'm the After Service Sales Manager with Travelpro, and in this series we're going to be discussing basic repairs you can complete at home. Just note, if you have any issue with a repair, we have authorized repair centers across the country that can help. Just visit us at www.travelpro.com under the Customer Care tab and we'll be there to assist. With that said, let's begin. Today's repair is the Rollaboard foot. If you're not familiar with the term, the foot essentially is the stand that allows the bag to stay upright. With that said, let's get into repair. The tools needed for this repair: Phillips screwdriver, any kind of wrench. That's all. The first step in this repair is to lay the bag flat on its back, and then you open the main compartment. Once you locate the zipper seam, you'll just pull the zipper and open the lining. Once completely unzipped, you're just going to locate the foam that's covering over the nut. You pull that off gently, we'll reinsert later, and expose the nut. Once the nut is exposed, you'll go ahead and grab your wrench to hold the nut in place while you unscrew under the foot. Okay, so once you take out all the screws, you'll remove the foot and then grab the new one and put that right into place, and then add back all the screws. So that completes today's repair. I want to thank you for watching. Just note, if you had any issues on this repair, our authorized repair centers can assist, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for choosing Travelpro, and we'll see you on the next one.